Hello and welcome to English Stories. Today we will talk about daily activities at home using household vocabulary. You can practice your listening skills and improve your vocabulary. Enjoy the shadowing practice at the end of the video. So let's get started. In the morning, I wake up early, usually up at 7 a.m. I turn off my alarm clock. Then I get out of bed. I go to the bathroom. In the bathroom, I brush my teeth, wash my face with water and soap. After that, I comb my hair. Next, I go to the kitchen. I make breakfast. I usually eat toast with butter and jam. I drink a cup of coffee or tea. Sometimes I eat cereal with milk. It is delicious. After breakfast, I clean the table. I wash the dishes or put them in the dishwasher. I wipe the table with a cloth. The kitchen is clean and ready for the day. After breakfast, I start my daily activities. I usually check the emails on my computer. I read messages from friends and family. Then I write replies. Next, I do some housework. I take out the trash and put it in the bin outside. I vacuum the living room. The vacuum cleaner makes a loud noise, but it helps to keep the house clean. I also dust the furniture. I use a duster to clean the shelves and tables. Dust can make the house look dirty, so I do this every week. On laundry day, I wash my clothes. First, I sort my clothes into dark and light colors. I put them in the washing machine. I add laundry detergent and start the machine. While the clothes are washing, I tidy up my bedroom. I make my bed. I arrange my pillows nicely on the bed. A tidy room makes me feel good. When the washing machine finishes, I take out the clothes. I hang them on a clothesline or put them in the dryer. After that, I fold the clean clothes and put them in my closet. In the evening, I cook dinner for my family or myself. I usually check what we have in the fridge. If we have vegetables, I make a salad. If we have meat, I cook it with rice or pasta. I chop vegetables with a knife and cut meat into small pieces. Cooking is fun. The kitchen smells good when food is cooking. While dinner is cooking, I set the table. I put plates, forks, knives, and glasses on the table. When dinner is ready, we sit down together and enjoy our meal. After dinner, it is time to clean up again. I clear the table and wash the dishes or put them in the dishwasher again. My family helps me with this task. Then we relax in the living room. We watch TV or read books together. Sometimes we play board games or talk about our day. Before going to bed, I prepare for tomorrow. I set out my clothes. This makes my morning easier. On weekends, I do different activities at home. On Saturday mornings, I usually go grocery shopping. I make a list of things we need: fruits, vegetables, bread, and milk. At the store, I push a shopping cart and pick items from the shelves. After shopping, I put everything in bags and take them home. In the afternoon, I sometimes do gardening. I water the plants in my garden or on my balcony. Gardening is relaxing and fun. On Sundays, we have family time. We cook together or go for a walk in the park. It is nice to spend time with loved ones. Now it's time for shadowing practice. Shadowing means you listen and repeat after me. This helps improve your speaking skills. I will say a sentence, and then you repeat it after me. 1. I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. 2. I brush my teeth every day. I brush my teeth every day. 3. I make breakfast for myself. I make breakfast for myself. 4. I clean the kitchen after eating. I clean the kitchen after eating. 5. I wash my clothes on laundry day. I wash my clothes on laundry day. 6. I cook dinner for my family in the evening. I cook dinner for my family in the evening. 7. I relax in the living room after dinner. I relax in the living room after dinner. 8. I go grocery shopping on weekends. 9. I enjoy spending time with my family on Sundays. I enjoy spending time with my family on Sundays. Great job! You did well with shadowing practice. Remember, using vocabulary about household activities is important for daily conversations in English. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more.